Eos's Natural Gas Knowledgebase is designed for estimating natural gas transmission, distribution, and delivery from cross-country pipelines down to the meter at the point of use. 7 parametric cost models expedite the takeoff process. Let's take a look at model Takeoff. The Knowledgebase provides models for site development, perimeter walls and fencing, and utility buildings. It also includes models for gas distribution work. These can be used for gas transmission also. There are 3 models for gas mains, 2 for plastic pipe, MDPE yellow and HDPE black, and 1 for steel pipe butt welded. The Knowledgebase also contains a regulation metering gate station model. Let's take off the gas main HDPE model. Assign a special reference ID to the model or use the current date timestamp that pre-fills as the model reference. You can adjust the productivity for the takeoff, add or deduct hours based on the desired productivity. We'll take off 500 feet of main. Offsets are typically provided to go around other utilities that you might encounter at intersections. For example, if the main is going through an area with cross streets, you might want to allow for offsets. Here's the displacement. This is how far offline you need to go to get around the other utilities. For example, 30 inches. You can add fittings such as elbows, T's, and caps. Branches might be needed, so we'll include some T's and a couple of caps. Select the main diameter from a list of available sizes and choose the SDR you want to use. Here you have the option to include or exclude the piping materials. If you are estimating installation only, then you would clear the checkbox to exclude the piping materials. You can also include or exclude trench excavation. In this case, some trench support is needed, so let's select this option. We'll need some wood sheeting for support. You can specify the number of uses. Reuse of sheeting reduces the cost. We want 48 inches of pipe cover for the trench. The model calculates the default trench depth and width, but you can change them as needed. For example, maybe you want to increase the trench width to 24 inches. Notice that the model calculates the trench width in feet for you. You can enter the trench width in inches or feet. You can specify the bedding depth below the pipe and the cover above the pipe, as well as the bedding and cover material. For plastic pipe, it's typically sand. There's also an option to include tracer wire. If the work is taking place in a paved area, you can include pavement removal. Notice that the values for the width and depth of the pavement removal pre-fill. Specify whether saw cutting and pavement patching are included. When you finish the model interview, click OK and close it. Now you're ready to generate the gas main model takeoff to the estimate. Here's the model takeoff for the gas main with plastic pipe. It's 12-inch pipe, HDPE butt fusion. All the parts and pieces for the main are included: paving removal, trenching, pavement patching, and tracer wire. We took off 500 feet, so it's approximately $600 per foot for installation, including all the materials. The cost models provided in the Knowledgebase streamline the takeoff process for estimating your natural gas transmission and distribution projects.